Good morning and welcome to week 9's enhancement number 7. So here is my Acme page, and then we'll go ahead and sign in. And because this is a tier 1 user, that it only shows the update your account information, which we can change anything we want with that. We'll go ahead and just add an extra, well, let's see, I guess we'll do that over here. Go to step 1, update client. Congratulations, Kelly was successfully updated, and so there we go with that. Alright, let's log out there. Let's go ahead and check my account. Let's go ahead and do a tier 2 user. Tier 3 user, the admin. Oh, it looks like it's coming back to the other. Hold on, we'll do this. Oops. User. Sign in. Okay. So here is the level 3, and as level 3 you have the ability to see the products and link with that. And you can also update your account. And let's go ahead and use the update password. And let's just add a 1 to that. And update password. Congratulations, the password was updated successfully. And we can check that out by logging out. And then we'll log back in. And we will go ahead and add the 1 and sign in. And here we are linked in with the new account, showing that everything is running properly. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.